Morning, creators. Tonight we're going to draw a hylash. One of the rarest bakugan traps. From the original series, Nuvastroya. Hylash has been an ally to his partner, Ingram, for like a long time, and has been a great ally to him. For starters, Hylash has the ability to fuse with Ingram at will. He's done it several thousand times. He fused with Ingram in his original form. He also fused with him. He also fused with his other form, Master Ingram, along with combining with his element ability known as Shadowing. Him, Shadowing, and Ingram have been great friends and great partners as well. Hopefully we'll get to see more action about him real soon. Hylash has been one of the rarest on the team. 1 second. Just gotta get him up and running. Let me just unfold him. 1 second. This is what Hylash looks like. You gotta unplug the fists and get this antler up in the air. Anyway, yeah, that is how you assemble Hylash. One of my favorites. Let's get started, shall we? Alright. Compared to all the rare traps that I've drawn, I've been dedicating to draw this one for a real long time. I've wanted to draw other traps just like this one as well, such as Tripod Theta, Hexados, Scorpion, Epsilon, Pythantis, Metal Fencer, and Wired. I don't know if Wired is considered a trap at all. But I changed my mind. I'm starting to think that it is. Considering the fact that I saw it in the new Bakugan video game. And, well, I had doubts about it years ago when the first game came out. But then I realized, well, it can be a Bakugan and a trap at the same time. Speaking to this from the chest. These are the gears. Alexa, play Last Play I Will Survive by Demi Lovato.
survive.
These are the shields that Hylash is equipped with.
At first I was afraid, I was petrified, thinking I could never live without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong, and I grew strong, and I learned how to get along. And so you're back from outer space. I just walked in to find you here with that sad look upon your face. I should have changed that stupid lie. I should have made you leave your keys. If I'd have known for just 1 second, you'd be back to bother me. Go now, go. Walk out the door. Just turn around now. 'Cause you're not welcome anymore. Word to the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye. Did you think I'd crumble? Did you think I'd lay down and die? Oh, no, not I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I've got all my life to live, and I've got all my love to give. I will survive. I will survive. Hey.
Here's the foot.
It took all the strength I had not to fall apart. Kept trying hard to mend the pieces of my broken heart. And I spent oh so many nights just feeling sorry for myself. I used to cry, but now I hold my head up high and you see me. Somebody new. I'm not that chained up little person still in love with you. And so you felt like dropping it and just expect me to be free. Now I'm saving all my loving for someone else other than me. Going now, go. Walk out the door. Just turn around now. 'Cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to break me with goodbye? Did you think I'd crumble? Did you think I'd lay down and die? Oh, no, not I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I've got all my life to live, and I've got all my love to give, and I'll survive. I will survive.
There we are.
Go now, go. Walk out the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Was you the one who tried to bring me with goodbye? Did you think I'd crumble? Did you think I'd lay down and die? Oh, no, not I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I've got all my life to live, and I've got all my love to give. I will survive. I will survive.
One last thing to draw, and that's this star on the back of them. There he is, everyone. That's how you draw Hylash from Bakugan New Destroya. One of my favorite characters, now part of my series. I consider this one to be one of my favorites. That's all for now, everyone. Stegosaurus, see you later. Farewell and good night.